Hi there, this is lifestyle coach Ashley Hubbard, and in today's video I will teach you how to make a girl think about you constantly. Let's get straight into it. Just very quickly before we get started, a very warm welcome. Hello, this is Ashley Hubbard. I am a lifestyle coach for men. That is me in the centre of the screen. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. This channel is all about helping men improve their dating success with women. And today I will teach you how to make a girl think about you constantly. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking the red button below the video because I don't want you to miss out on any of the videos that I upload. Please also give the video a like because that motivates me to make more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get started. When you are being apart from the girl that you like, this can be one of the hardest things you ever have to do. So how do you make sure the girl misses you while you're gone? All you have to do is leave her wanting to see more of you, make her enjoy the time you do spend together, and take steps to remind her of how much she likes you even when you're apart. Here are some steps you can take on how to make a girl think about you constantly. Step number 1. Limit the amount of time you spend together. My advice is to limit the amount of time you may spend together. If you want the girl to miss you when you're not together, then you can't spend too much of your free time with her. You should hang out with her enough to make her see how awesome, fun and interesting you are, but not so much that she starts to take you for granted or feels like you've run out of things to say to each other. I recommend you make an effort to see her once or twice a week, but make sure she's not the only thing on your social calendar, or she'll begin to think that she can have you whenever she wants. If she wants to hang out with you, she should make plans with you at least a few days in advance. You don't want it to look like you're at her beck and call. When you do hang out with her, my advice is don't spend the entire day with her, but leave to do something else after a few hours so she really relishes the time you do spend together instead of getting too comfortable with you. This may feel a little strange at first, but hey, it's part of playing hard to get. Step number 2, limit your phone time with the girl. My advice is to put a limit on the amount of phone time that you have together. If you and the girl that you like talk on the phone, I recommend you make sure you keep your conversations relatively short so she doesn't think you have nothing better to do than to talk to her all the time. You can talk to her to set up plans or to see how she's doing for a few minutes, but my advice is that you shouldn't let the conversation drag on so long that you've run out of things to say. To keep her interested, my advice is that you want her to feel like she can never run out of things to say to you. Don't tell her everything that you're thinking or everything that's going on in your life over the phone. Save some of it for when you actually hang out in person. My advice is to make the time count. If you only talk to her on the phone for a few minutes, make sure you bring your A game and charm her, make her laugh and make her feel special. I don't recommend you talk to her while she's also watching the Jets game. My advice is to make her feel like you do value your conversations. Step number 3, don't drop everything to talk to the girl. I don't recommend you drop everything that you may be doing just to talk to the girl. To make a girl miss you, you can't make her feel like you're always available. If she texts you and you're busy, don't go out of your way to give her a lengthy response ASAP, unless she really needs one. Instead, I recommend you give it a few hours before you get back to her. The same goes for talking on the phone. If she calls you, don't feel compelled to pick up every time or to pick up on the first ring. If the girl feels like she can reach you whenever she wants, then she'll be less likely to miss you. If it seems a little bit hard to get and a bit of your time, then she'll value it more. Of course, if she seems upset and really wants to talk as soon as possible, then you should be there for her instead of acting aloof. But if she's calling or texting just to check in, then you shouldn't feel compelled to get back to her immediately. Please let me know in the comments below if this advice is helping you. Now don't go anywhere because I still have some more tips to work through with you, but if you want an online coaching program which will give you the skills and the ability to be confident with women, I recommend you have a look at the Confidence Unleashed program. Just click the link in the description box below this video right now for more information on the Confidence Unleashed program. Here are some more steps you can take on how to make a girl think about you constantly. Step number 4, work on yourself and your interests. I highly recommend you continue pursuing your own interests and work on your self-development. My advice is that you don't give up all of the things you love just to be with the girl. If you want her to miss you when you're not around, then you should spend some time continuing to do all of the things you love. I recommend you keep going to your soccer practice, working on your novel, or learning Japanese, or whatever things you are interested in. Let her know what you're up so she sees you're an interesting, dynamic person who is excited about life and who has more going on than just his romantic interests. The girl will respect you and will think you're even more interesting if you have things you care about and want to improve at. Besides, continuing to pursue your hobbies will give you more things to talk to her about. If the girl knows you have a lot going on, she'll see that your time is valuable and will be more likely to appreciate the moments you spend together. Is the advice I have given you here making sense to you? Let me know in the comments below. Step number 5. Keep making time for your friends. My advice is to keep making time for your friendship circles. Spending time with your friends is important, and no girl you ever like or date will ever really be able to replace your friends, even if your relationship takes on its own fulfilling character. This means that you should never stop hanging out with your buddies to make time for your girl. You can cut down on friend time to see your girl, but I don't recommend you ditch your friends completely, or the girl will think she has you wrapped around her little finger. If she knows that you have plenty of friendships you care about, then she'll see that you're an interesting person who lots of people want to spend time with. If she feels like you're just sitting around waiting for her to call because you have no one else to hang out with, then she'll be much less likely to miss you. My advice is to find a healthy balance between seeing your girl and seeing your friends. You don't want to see them so much that you never have time for your girl and make her lose interest, but you also don't want to see them so rarely that she feels like she's the only thing you care about. So if you want further coaching in this area, I recommend that you have a look at the Confidence Unleashed program. I recommend this program because it has helped thousands of men across the globe gain the skills and the ability to make impact and build confidence with women. Please go and click the link below the video right now, and then you'll be taken to the website for the Confidence Unleashed program. On the website, you can get instant access to the program online, so you can learn from home in your own time. So make sure you go through to the website and have a look at the program, because as I say, this program will give you the skill set and the ability to be confident and make impact with women. I recommend you check it out when you are ready. All you need to do is click the link below the video to find out more about the program. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Please do hit the like button. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? Please let me know in the comments section below the video. Let us know what you like best in the video in the comments below. Please join our Facebook community. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your dating success. Have a brilliant day. Thank you.